Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Craftsman Home Tool Set is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tool sets you can find for home improvement projects, offering a comprehensive collection of essential tools perfect for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike, ensuring you're equipped to handle various tasks with precision and ease, from simple repairs to more complex projects around your house, saving you both time and money in the long run. Number 5. Craftsman VERSASTACK 71-piece tool set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for any job. It's designed for convenience and built to last. The 72-tooth ratchet provides a 5-degree arc swing, making it perfect for tight spaces. This allows for greater precision and control. It includes a complete set of sockets and accessories, so you'll always have the right tool on hand. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. The durable VERSASTACK case is designed for long-lasting use and integrates with the VERSASTACK system. It's built tough to withstand daily use. The polished chrome finish protects it from rust and corrosion. This ensures that it will stay in great condition for years to come. This tool set meets or exceeds ASME specifications, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust it to perform to the highest standards. What we like. It has a 72-tooth ratchet for smooth operation and a durable case that integrates with the VERSASTACK system. The polished chrome finish ensures it'll look great and resist corrosion. If you value organization and a professional look in your tools, this is the set for you. What people say. Well-made great storage box. This set is replenishing my old set and easier to find the right socket for my scattering set. The socket marking on the box is the same color as the package, red. A black Sharpie fixed the problem. Craftsman tools are my favorite. Craftsman fits my hand and provide a good grip. Craftsman warranty is as good as it gets. They are easy to use and very functional. Number 4. Craftsman CMMT 99447 tool set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for your home repairs. It's designed for both convenience and durability, making it perfect for any DIY enthusiast. Its head is up to 25% thinner than our previous model, allowing you to easily access those hard-to-reach spots. This makes working in tight spaces much easier. It delivers a 5-degree arc swing, giving you greater precision and control. You'll appreciate the increased accuracy for those detailed tasks. This set includes a wide variety of 1/4-inch drive mechanics tools and hand tools. Everything you need is right here in one place. It comes in a durable blow-mold case for easy transport and storage. Keep your tools organized and protected wherever you go. It's backed by a full lifetime warranty on the mechanics tools and a limited lifetime warranty on the hand tools. You can trust in its quality and longevity. What we like. This set boasts a low-profile ratchet perfect for tight spaces, and also includes a 72-tooth ratchet for precision. It comes in a durable blow-mold case for easy storage and transport. If you need to work in confined areas and want reliable tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very compact and functional. Perfect for weekend projects. The quality is exactly what you'd expect from Craftsman, durable, reliable, and easy to use. The case is hard plastic and the tools fit snugly and firmly inside, so even after a couple drops you're not going to have to listen to a bunch of loose jingling tools inside the case. Number 3. Craftsman CMMT 99446 Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for your home repairs. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its slip joint pliers provide superior access, even in the tightest spaces. Get the job done with ease. The fiberglass hammer is designed for comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. Work longer without tiring. Experience enhanced comfort and reduced fatigue with the bimaterial screwdriver. It's designed for superior grip and control. The tools feature a full polish finish with large, clear markings. This makes them easy to identify and resistant to corrosion. It all comes in a durable blow-molded case for easy transport and storage. Keep your tools organized and protected. This kit is backed by a lifetime warranty for hassle-free replacements. Your investment is protected. What we like. It features slip joint pliers for those hard-to-reach spots, and a comfortable fiberglass hammer to reduce fatigue. The durable case makes it easy to transport and store. If comfort and versatility are your priorities, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The kit includes all the essential tools for tackling any home repair or improvement project, and they are all made with high-quality materials. The tools are organized in a sturdy, portable carrying case that makes it easy to store and transport the kit. The items I was most pleased with included the self-locking tape measure, high-quality ratchet and sockets, pliers that are smaller than hoped for but have great teeth, and the spinner handle with its amazing comfy handle and quality shaft make it a perfect tool for any hex bits or hard-to-reach bolts. Number 2. Craftsman 450-piece Mechanics Tool Set. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for virtually any automotive repair. It's the ultimate tool kit for both professionals and serious DIYers. It features 3 quick-release ratchets in 1 4-inch, 3 8-inch and 1 2-inch drives, giving you the right tool for every job. This saves you valuable time and effort. 6 extension bars extend your reach to those hard-to-access fasteners. No more struggling to reach those difficult spots. With 191 sockets in various sizes and drive types, you'll have the perfect fit every time. They are available in both inch and metric measurements. 16 combination wrenches provide access to tight spaces where a ratchet won't fit. This ensures you can tackle any project with ease. The magnetic handle makes picking up nuts and bits quick and easy. This simple feature will save you time and frustration. What we like. This comprehensive set includes ratchets in various sizes, multiple extension bars for added reach, and a huge selection of sockets. You'll be prepared for virtually any job. If you need a wide range of tools for various tasks, this is the ultimate set for you. What people say. It has everything a shade tree mechanic would need for basic repairs and maintenance on a car. It has a wide range of tool sizes. These tools are high quality, like other Craftsman tools. Drawers are very well organized and presented, and can be switched between the 3 levels to your heart's content. You can easily feel and see the quality of each piece, which is a step up from lesser basic brands. Each ratchet has a very durable feel and the ratcheting mechanism feels strong and well built as compared to some Harbor Freight tools of similar nature. A complete set but lacks the larger diameter wrenches, which are available. Number 1. 60-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. It's designed for the most precise work. Its compact size makes it perfect for quick repairs on electronics and more. This kit has 60 different bits, so you'll always have the right one. It handles Phillips, Star, Torx, flathead, and more. Hard-to-reach screws are no problem. It includes a flexible shaft to get into those tight spots. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last. The magnetic tip and non-slip handle make it easy and comfortable to use. Looking for a gift for someone who has everything? This is the perfect present for birthdays or any special occasion. It's great for both professionals and hobbyists. What we like. It offers 60 different bits to handle a wide variety of screws, a magnetic tip for easy bit changes, and a flexible shaft for hard-to-reach areas. The precision and versatility make it perfect for electronics and small repairs. If you need a precise and versatile tool for electronics repair, this is the perfect gift for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.